Hey y'all, IRIX Guy here, and I wanted to respond to another viewer's question. Actually, several people, and they're like, hey, it's a nice seat, but it just doesn't fit me like I would want it to. The good thing about a bicycle seat, whether it's an indoor exercise bike or a mountain bike or a road bike, is that most of these seats are pretty much the same type of seat. So if you don't like the seat that comes with the IC4, what I would recommend doing, it's actually really simple. You can unscrew this, and then you can pull it out, and you can pull the entire seat post out with the seat attached. And what I would do is I would do that. I would go to your local bike shop and say, hey, here's the seat that I have now, and this is the seat post and everything from my indoor exercise bike. Let me find a seat that feels more comfortable, and then ask them if they can replace this seat with whatever seat you may pick out. That way you're in a bicycle shop. You've got the experts there that can assist you with finding something that's ergonomically correct for your butt. And then, if it should be an easy thing for them to swap it out. So just, again, to recap, unscrew this, pull this out, pull the entire seat post out. And what you'll take to your bike shop is just what you see up above there, that post with the seat attached. Easiest way I can think of to do it. Oh, and thanks for your viewership. And if you're looking for the IC4 like I use, the shoes like I use, the smart TV, the sound bar, the subwoofer, expand this video's description and then click the link there and you can find it all there. And be sure to subscribe to my channel and ring that bell icon when you do, and that'll notify you whenever I post another video. And check out all my IC4 videos that I have now and my future IC4 videos. And guess what's going to go there? Stay tuned. Y'all have a good day. Hey y'all, Captain IRIX Guy here. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to subscribe. It's youtube.com/IRIX Guy. And ring that bell icon when you do to be notified whenever I post another video. Thanks for your viewership, and y'all have a good day.